National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois until 9:15 p.m. At 8:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bradley, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bradley, Hopkins Park, Kankakee, Sun River Terrace, Aroma Park, Moments, and Bourbonnais. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is no